guys, it is the Green Brick here, and I've got this catapult. Yeah, it's a Lego Technic catapult. And so, it's really cool. It can be, it can go on 3 different modes. So if we were to pull it back one, put it in, and yeah. If I were to see this gray knob thing here, if I were to push it down, it would, yeah, it fired it. And now this thing has 3 modes. 1, which is what you saw, 2, which is even better, and 3, which is super powerful. So this thing can shoot up to 5 meters. If you were to put it on the ground at full power. And it uses pretty simple Lego Technic pieces, just some little pieces like this here. And yeah, some rubber bands. And I know so far, this is not usually what I'm going to put up. I do make Lego weapons, but I'm not exactly sure whether I'm going to put them up. So, but yeah, it's my Lego catapult. I might do a tutorial if you guys really like this video. And yeah, see ya.